Our Dell support website is full of information to answer your questions. Here's an overview of what you can find. Having an account on the site allows you to link all your different Dell products and keep track of everything Dell related. Open a web browser and go to dell.com/support. If you do not have an account, click on Create an Account and fill in the required fields. Otherwise, sign into your existing account by typing your email address and password in. Scroll down, click on Acknowledge, and sign in. Once signed in, you can access important support resources for your Dell products, such as critical and recommended updates, service request status, support services, and order status. When you log in, the website will automatically detect the Dell system you're using, but you can also enter the identification information for a different device. With your system identified, you can keep your device up to date by downloading and installing specific drivers. Under Drivers and Diagnostics, click on Check Again next to Update Drivers. On the next page, click on Check for Updates to scan your system to detect any software problems. Under Service Requests, click on Visit Service Requests to submit a new request or view your request history for any Dell device. You can also contact support here. Under Support Services, you can check the warranty and see all the different service contract details covering each of your Dell products. You may also be able to acquire new services depending on your product. Under Order Support, click on Find Order Status to check on your orders. Dive deep into our vast support library with knowledge base articles covering every Dell product. Search by keyword, topic, or Dell model. Make the most of your Dell device by reading up on the how-to articles and troubleshooting guides and be in the know on technical updates. Get quick access to the Dell community forums, where a community of Dell users shares priceless knowledge, experience, and advice every day. You can interact with other users, connect with tech experts, track issues and solutions, and get direct support from Dell specialists. There's also our extensive video library packed with a variety of content from support tutorials and do-it-yourself how-to guides to informative and educational topics. For more Dell support tutorials, subscribe to our channel and check out our extensive video library.